What up? So recently I started waking up 4 a.m. every morning to run 2 miles. Approximately 2 miles, can be a little bit less, a little bit more, and see how fast I could run. I'm not, as you would say, physically fit, but I can do my little thing. So the goal was to run as fast as possible. So I wake up in the morning, I do the necessary basics. And then when I wake up, I stretch. Very important. Stretching is important because it helps your bones to not to feel sore at the end of your workout or run, whatever you choose to call it. To me, I found out that music, it keeps me going. So the type of music I listen to, it controls how I move. So for example, you have some Michael Jackson. So I normally listen to some, upbeat kind of music. So let's run a tune like a motivational song. For example.
Roll out the cool as the breeze. While it look like a science book.
Level. Copyright. Remix. DJ. You don't know go. Run it. This is how long it took me to run approximately 2 miles. Somebody just said, man. Buy my shirt. Channel. This is the first time I'm actually seeing myself like this in a bro. Whoa. Man, I wait up. I feel like my foot swell. Somewhere here. For the past couple of days, that's all that has been going on. Like, ears of feel swell to me. Looks well to you. Don't know if you guys remember, a couple months ago I did a video titled Labor Day. In the earlier days, in that specific video, I planted pineapples. Let me show you the progress. So I don't remember if this one was here before I planted the other ones, but if you look right in here inside, it's black. Like, I don't know, like the fruit part of it, where the pineapple should be coming out through, it's black, like it's rotten out or something. I'm not sure if that's a natural thing that should happen, but this has been here for almost a year, if not a year, and nothing is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger. I was once told that the amount of jokes are joking the hole to put it in there, that's the amount of years it will take. That's just the country style of some people. These are two more right here. This is a smaller one. As you can see, this one is coming up well, and it's a smaller one, and it has a bigger, this is the part where the fruit comes out of, it's bigger. So this is 1, 2, 3. There should be another one here. This is a single Bible. This is a single Bible, not pineapples. But in the end, I don't think we'll be planting anything this year. You know, Corona, and what am I going to plant? Government say you fit turn your yard. Stay inside, fully locked down. Labor Day, no one should be out on that day. Road should be clean. Not even a dog, not a puss, not a cat should be walking. I want to say thank you guys for supporting, for liking, for commenting, for subscribing, for sharing, for even watching the video. I appreciate it because you didn't have to be here. You could have just watched something on Netflix or any other platform. You could be spending time with your family, but you chose to come right here to watch this video. Big up. You know, sometimes you just have to take the time out to enjoy the gift of life. Come.
Can see all the signs I tried to fill it.